it's real fucking expensive, okay? So we'll see. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to be doing a Fenty Beauty video. I'm so excited. Fenty Beauty released a hydrating pro filter foundation. I'm really excited. I don't like matte foundations, so I've wanted to try Rihanna's foundation for like the longest. Just a foundation because nothing else in the line really spoke to me, you know. Anyway, as I was saying, I've always wanted to try something from Fenty. I wanted to try the foundation for the longest, but I don't like matte foundations, and that foundation looked super matte. So when I heard that she was releasing a hydrating foundation, I got so excited because that is me, Erin of Hydrating Foundation. So I'm going to try it out for you guys today and let you know what I think. So yeah, let's get started. I got the foundation in 430 and then I got the concealer in 390. I'm really excited. 430 looks like really close to my shade, so I'm pretty excited. All right, so I just realized I didn't get a primer. And it would have probably been really good to get a primer, the primer to use with this foundation. Okay, anyway, so to prep my face, I'm gonna use the NYX Bear With Me spray. Whew. All right, so let's go on and get started. I'm so excited, guys. I've also, if you didn't watch my 21st birthday vlog, hello, watch it. But I've had this sitting in my room for like a week now, and I'm just like, I've been waiting to try it on camera. I really wanted to use it on my birthday when I actually went out. So I'm gonna pump a little on the back of the hand. Okay, she came out quick. And then I'm just gonna dot some over my face. I don't know if I've ever said this, but my like least favorite thing when people are doing like foundation, first impressions, or reviews or anything is when they like go ham with the amount of product that they put on their face on their initial try. Like, I don't know why, but it drives me insane because I'm like, you don't even know how it looks yet and you're putting half the bottle on your face. You don't even wanna, okay. I should do one side with a brush and one side with a sponge. I'm gonna do this side of my face with a brush. Okay, she dries really fast because I'm having a little trouble here. She dries really freaking fast. Most of the coverage is right here because it's where I dotted it. She dries extremely fast. Let's do the other side with the sponge. I went over the other side with the sponge. Okay, so far she looks really good. She looks really good. It looks really hydrating. It definitely has like its own natural kind of dew to it, if that makes any sense. But like a natural dew, like for instance, you know, dewy primers have like iridescence in it and that's what makes you look dewy, but this just looks like freshly washed supple skin. So that looks really good. My only thing is that this is warm and I'm definitely more of like a cooler neutral. As far as I know, I didn't have my shade in a cooler neutral. That's something that I would love to see in brands, is like have a shade and have it in every undertone as well. Because yeah, this is a little bit more warm than I'm used to. I can definitely pull off a warm, but it's not my preferred. And it's a pretty good match. It looks pretty good. It looks really good. It looks really good. Yeah, it looks like skin, honestly. Can you guys see that? There was no point in me mixing the separating the brush and the sponge because I went over the whole thing. It looks like skin. It literally looks like skin. It's not clinging to my dry spots too badly. My nose is very dry. Like, I have normal skin, but my nose is very dry. It's not, and usually foundations and stuff will cling to it a little bit, but it's not, which is nice. Wow, okay. My only qualm is, like I said, is that it's warm, but I'll live. Let's move on to the concealer. Where did I put the box? It's right here. Move on to the concealer. I got in $3.90. Part of me thinks that this might be too light, but them Sephora lights, like the 430 was like exactly my skin tone, and then the one under it was almost exactly my skin tone too in the concealer, and I was like, I don't know. So $3.90 looks like it's light enough to highlight. And this is this also warm? Anyway, let's go in. I'm just gonna start with a few little swipes, and then chin. I stopped highlighting on my forehead, but I kind of like it again, but like literally just a little bit. And then use my sponge because it's elite. So I'm going fast this time. I'm not gonna have concealer dry in my face too. I don't know if I didn't put enough, but I definitely think I could have gone another shade lighter in terms of highlight, because this is like definitely not my shade, but it's also not very, it's not also not super bright. She's definitely buildable though. Okay, I think I just needed some more. The concealer also looks really good. It's not settling into my lines or anything. It's kind of just sitting on the face really nicely. It's buildable, as you guys saw, because I put a little extra on here. It built up. It layers really nicely. It looks good. It's not creasing so far. Y'all know I'm gonna spray my face again. All right, so of course I only got the foundation and the concealer because that was all I was interested in. So now I'm just gonna finish my face the rest of the way. By the way, if you want to see this eye look, I actually did this with the Jackie Aina palette. I'm not sure which video will be up first, but if that look is up first, then I will have it linked down below or on the screen. Okay, let's do some setting. I'm gonna take my Coty Airspun powder. I'm gonna set a little under the eyes. And I mean literally a little. I don't like too much powder on my face. So I just put it in with the beauty blender and then swipe it away a few seconds later. I don't like to bake too much, and I also feel like it takes away from a hydrated looking face. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer and warm up my face a little bit. For this look, I'm actually not gonna wear any concealer. Highlight. I just think it doesn't need any for this particular look, but I am gonna put on a little blush. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. blush. I already know what blush I'm talking about. This one, and put a little on my cheeks. So I'm going to go out for the day. I have a few errands to run, and then I will get back to you guys and let you know how I feel, how it lasted on me over the day, and I will be back in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back. It is now 7:41, basically 8 o'clock. I think I finished doing my makeup around 1, I believe I said, so it's been about 6 hours. I was out in the heat. It also rained a little bit, and I was out for a few hours. I laid down, took a little nap. I've been busy today, obviously. So my thoughts on the foundation is that it kind of, honestly, it looks better as the day goes on. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Like, it looked good, obviously, when I first put it on, but as the day continues to go on, it looks even more flawless. It looks like skin. I don't have any separation under my eye with the concealer. I don't have any separation on my smile lines, which is really nice. That's usually where I start to crease first. And I did not set this with any powder, so that's pretty fantastic. But yeah, it looks so good. It looks like skin. I look like I have really flawless skin. I really like this foundation. I really like the concealer. I think it looks really beautiful on the skin. It looks really hydrating. It has, like, how do I explain this? I hope this makes sense. It has kind of like maybe like a demi matte feel to it, but a hydrating appearance. That's my understanding of this foundation, because it definitely doesn't go on feeling like your typical hydrating foundation or anything like that. It kind of has that demi matte feel with a hydrating look. So this is pretty good. I'm really excited that she released this hydrating foundation, and I'm excited to see what other products she comes out in the future. I'm going to continue to test stuff. Possibly it's real fucking expensive, okay? So we'll see. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Talk to me down below. Let me know how you use the foundation. Are you thinking about getting it? Let me know down below. So also subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and until next time, but love, be kind. Bye guys.